Tanzania kinyuma sitwenda maonevu kinyuma
No, I'm just happy to be back home. I have gone through very 4 dark days. I have been tortured very badly. I can barely walk. But I'm very concerned about Agatha because we were tortured together and they did very horrible things to us. So I hope that Agatha is safe. So wherever Agatha is, she should know that you're praying for her and for her safety. And thank you to everyone who spoke, who stood with us. The solidarity wasn't in vain. Yeah.
They were dumped. Okay, he was dumped by himself. They were separated and we don't know where Agatha is or where she was taken. As at now, unless the media can say that they have heard from Agatha's family, we do not know. But Boni was dropped in Horohoro border post, and he found his way up to Lunga Lunga and got transport, and Kelef picked him up. I called Kelef and he picked him up.
We don't take this lightly. Boniface Mwangi was severely tortured. Agatha, the same thing. And as we speak presently, we don't know where Agatha is. At least we are seeing Boniface. We want to rush him so that he can get medical treatment. His condition is not good at all. As you will see clearly, he can barely walk. This is courtesy of Mama Samia's government. He was badly tortured in Tanzania. And every time they were doing this, they kept making reference to the president, asking him to say, Asante Mama Samia, Asante Mama Samia, as they were torturing him.
Na torture is against the law. Na jambo jingine, Tanzania bado hawajasema wamefanya dhambi gani. Hata kushikwa, kuwekwa ndani na kupigwa na kukaa siku 3, wamefungwa uso na pingu, anakwenda choni hivyo hivyo, kula hawezi kwa sababu akienda choni maskari wanaosimamia pale. Hii si haki. Na sisi twalaumu serikali ya Kenya, na ingekuwa si serikali ya Kenya, Boni yasingefika hayo.